Good shot. Good shot, Rich. There we go.
Yes. Yes. I wanted all year to do this.
All right.
All year, Dad.
Okay, put your gun away. See Grandpa's shotgun. Good shot, Richard. All right, Richard shot himself a bird. That's what we're talking about. Hen, Jay, Tom, everything's fair game right now. Hi, Richard. Get your bird.
This is not Tom, right, Eddie? This is a female,
Well,
right?
yeah. You could shoot. This time of year, you could shoot anything. What you trying to shoot at? In the head, right?
Yep. Where's the head, Eddie?
You did try to aim for the head, didn't you?
Yep, right there.
Okay, let me see. It's a young one.
Grandma comes home tonight, right, Eddie?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going better or we're not? Maybe she's home.
Now we're going home.
Okay. Why? Because we made too much noise, right?
Alrighty. Richard shot a young hen, and it's always more tastier this way because this is just for grandma and them to eat. So perfect setup. And we could have been, I guess, if you want to say greedy and shoot both, but you know, one is good enough for now. Hi, Richard.
Yeah.
Careful with the gun.
Yep.
Safety.
Yep.
Take off your bullets. How we doing? Hey, careful with my bow. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, careful. Alrighty. Ready?
Yeah.